Hello viewers, apart from some educational videos, I am planning to give some motivational speech or social messages. So yesterday I thought about mistakes. Why I have thought about this, there is no specific cause, but just like that I came across this word mistake. So I thought about the same example what I have written here. What is the example is, the person one, he is just using his mobile phone and he was drinking some water. After having his water, he just kept the glass over a table, that's all. This is a simple incident. The person one who is using his mobile phone, he is talking to somebody else and he was drinking water. After drinking his water, by speaking over the phone itself, he just kept the glass over the table which was available when he is crossing it. So it was unknowingly done. I have written here unknowingly. So it was unknowingly done. So again the person too, some other person in the same house or in the same office or any other place, he is also using a mobile phone. He is speaking to someone else. Accidentally, when he come across the table, he accidentally hit the glass and it fell down and it got broken. So this was the incident. When the glass got broken, suddenly if the person two, the second person who made the glass to fell down, is telling that I am sorry, it is my fault, I have done this mistake, it is my fault, I ask sorry for that. So he is accepting the mistake, and the person one also, it's okay, it's my fault too, I have wrongly kept the glass over there, it is that fault is also because of me. So no worries. So we both have done mistakes, we have to be cautious in later phases. So this kind of acceptance is this can be accepted because it is creating a positive approach, that is there is no problem in between the two persons, they have just accepted their own mistakes and they just disperse from that place. And the second case, the first person is asking sorry, it's my fault. The second person, can't you be cautious? So first person is also unknowingly kept the glass, he is asking this person, why can't you be cautious while you are crossing the table? So this condition will hurt the second person. The second person will get hurt during this situation. Next, third one, when the glass got broken, immediately the second person, what he says, which idiot kept the glass here? Who have kept the glass here? So that only I have made him hit the glass, it got broken by falling down. So immediately the first person, I am sorry, it is my fault. So the first person, he himself accepts that I have done the mistake, I am sorry. So in this case, he have got his voice risen. This person have got hurt due to the words of this second person. So now the second person have started scolding him. The first person, he got hurt due to the second person words. Next, other situation, which idiot kept the glass here? The second person is telling which idiot have kept the glass here. Again, now the first person is asking, why can't you be cautious while using your mobile? So both are getting quarreling each other. So he is blaming the first person, the first person is blaming the second person, both are getting fight or quarrel or anything. So while seeing these conditions, which is better? The mistake can be done by anyone. So both incidents have occurred. This one occurred unknowingly, this one occurred accidentally. So the mistake is with the both persons. So it is better whether you have done accidentally or not, whether the first person is have done unknowingly or not, that is not the case. If a mistake have been if a mistake have happened, either by us or by others, it is better to accept the mistake. Even though it is not your fault, first accept the mistake, and it is not necessary to ask the sorry also. Just accept the mistake. It is enough. There won't be any problem with any of the persons in that incident. And one more condition I have seen. The first person unknowingly kept the glass. The second person accidentally made it broken. But if the first person is lethargically keeping the glass over the table and the second person also having the same behavior, this is not only just a mistake, it is not considered as just a mistake. It is a big fault in the behavior. It is not a mistake, it is a fault in the behavior of the person. So we have to change the behavior. So not the thought about the incident, we have to change his behavior so that the mistake will not happen. So I summarize my thoughts. Only thing is, mistakes everyone can do, but what we have to do is accept the mistake. Or whether the mistake is yours or others, just accept the mistake. It had happened, you are also responsible for that mistake which had happened. So just accept, nothing else, just accept the mistake. No need to ask sorry also. If you have accepted the mistake, then the opponent, that is who is involved in that mistake along with you, also feel better for doing a wrong thing, and he will not repeat it again. And if you are doing the mistake with a lethargic approach, then it is not a mistake. That incident is not a mistake, it is a fault with your behavior. We have to change our behavior. Thank you.